You are listening to Need Cognition, a channel for educational excellence. Today it is about hormones and diseases, which comes under the chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration, an important chapter in biology because hormones play lot of specific important functions in the body. Hormones and diseases can be asked as match the following, or it can be asked as a direct question. If it is given as match the following, it will be a bit challenging because all these points, that is glands, hormones and diseases, are given here and there in NCERT book. I have made it into a quick revision table so that if you study this, it will save your time as well as it will be easy for you to memorize and revise also. Quick revision table, hormones and diseases. The first column is the gland, second hormones, third diseases. I have divided it into hyper and hypo. That is, hyper secretion means increased secretion. That is over secretion or overproduction. So hypo secretion means decreased secretion or underproduction. They can change the words like this. That is hyper secretion or excessive secretion or overproduction. Here hyposecretion or decreased production or underproduction. So what happens if the hormones are secreted in increased amount than normal, or if it is secreted in decreased amount than normal? Okay. So first column is gland, second hormones, diseases. This is hypersecretion, this is hyposecretion. Under hormones and diseases, you have to remember only 4 glands: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas and adrenal cortex. So pituitary gland is present in the brain. Anterior part of pituitary secretes growth hormone. If the growth hormone secretion is increased in childhood, it is called as gigantism. If the secretion is during adults, that is middle age, it is called as acromegaly. Got it? Okay, childhood means gigantism, adults, that is during middle age, means acromegaly. When the growth hormone secretion is decreased, it is called as dwarfism. You very well know that if the growth is stunted, they look very small like miniature, so they are called as dwarf. So dwarfism. Then posterior pituitary, antidiuretic hormone, also called as vasopressin. Deficiency of vasopressin causes diabetes insipidus. Thyroid gland produces thyroxine hormone. Increased production of thyroxine hormone causes Graves' disease. It is an autoimmune hyperthyroidism. Graves' disease, also called as autoimmune hyperthyroidism. If the thyroxine secretion is decreased, it is called as cretinism in childhood, also called as congenital hypothyroidism and goiter. Next you have pancreas, which secretes insulin. Insulin deficiency leads to diabetes mellitus. And the last one, the adrenal gland. The adrenal cortex part of the adrenal gland is involved. You have to understand that adrenal medulla, which is present in adrenal gland, also secretes hormones, that is catecholamines. But here only adrenal cortex part is involved. So hormones of the adrenal cortex is called as corticoids. If the corticoids are secreted excessively, it results in Cushing's syndrome. If the corticoids are secreted in less amount, it is called as Addison's disease. So stay tuned. I'll turn up with more interesting revision table which will be helpful for you at this last minute of NEET preparation. Thank you.